How you doing, folks? Today we're going to talk about how to build a successful landing page. I'm going to talk very slowly. The beginning of something great. It all starts with the advertising campaign. You must first understand who your target audience is. Some business owners do not know this information. For example, if you are a Mexican restaurant, then target people who love Mexican food. Do not just target people who loves dining out. This goes for any business out there too. Filter out the right audience and you will save more advertising dollars. This will as well decrease your customer acquisition costs, which is great for your establishment. Optimize your ad based on what you are trying to accomplish. If you want people to ride into your email list, then tell them that on the ad. Remember, quality beats quantity. A lot of advertisers are afraid to tell people to put in their email on the advertisement campaign. But I argue about the fact that it is the action that they want their target audience to make in the first place. Come on, your audience will figure it out sooner or later that they have to put in an email. Why don't tell them that on the ad? Quality over quantity. Remember this. We will make a blog about how to ask your targeted audience for their emails without offending them soon. Alright? This is many advertisers' fears. Your landing page or capture page. They click your ad. Let's just assume that they click your ad and now they're sent to your landing page. Another mistake advertisers do when creating a landing page, their landing pages are not designed around the primary purpose of someone putting in their email address. Let's say you are doing a free party giveaway in your ad. You told them they will enter to win a free party giveaway. Many are interested and click your ad to get more information or to check out and see if it's too good to be true. When they are sent to your landing page, you show pictures of two people eating at a restaurant. Then somehow, the potential lead decides not to go ahead and clicks off the landing page. What's wrong with it, you ask? Well, you are telling your target audience to enter to win a free party giveaway, but the landing page does not show pictures of people at a party. Let me make this clear. It is not about you. It is about them. People are there for selfish reasons. Understand that. When creating a landing page, make sure the ad title is the same as the title on the landing page. Design it around the primary purpose of someone putting in their emails in the first place. For example, show a picture of someone winning the item you are giving away. This converts well because it creates excitement. Here is a big tip. Ask for as little information as possible. The less you ask, the higher the conversion rate will be. Landing page conversions. When your target audience clicks your ad and go to your landing page, then read your content and leaves, that usually means two things. The traffic don't care about what you are offering, such as a 5% coupon. You are asking for information the audience doesn't want to give you. For example, the most common one is they don't want to give you their phone numbers because they're afraid that you're going to sell it to advertisers, but they don't mind giving you their email address. I recommend you to first test this out with as little as 5% of your advertising dollars. Use 5% for just for testing. See what gets better results. Emails or phone numbers. Don't put the entire 100% in yet. Test it with a small fraction of your advertising dollars to see what works better. This will save you a lot of money and may keep you ahead of your competition. Also, your cost per engagement will be in your favor. Okay, folks, that is the tip of the day with Bluestar Revenue. Please subscribe to this channel for future videos. Ask questions below and I will answer them the best way I can. Alright, bye guys.